Welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to open browser on your headset. To open the browser on Vive HTC, firstly you should open the lobby, and in lobby press on the Vive button. Vive button is here, and then when you will press it, you will see this screen. Here we'll see my apps, here we'll see library, here we'll see store. So we should open library, and in the library just find Vive browser. Click on it and click yes. And cool, that's it. We've just opened the Vive browser. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye, see you.